Hi guys, it's Bijal here. Welcome to Style Files. I'm so happy that I'm finally filming a video after such a long time. I had to take a break because of some reasons, but now finally I'm back to filming, back to making videos. So I'm super excited. As you can read from the title, I would be reviewing and unboxing the Lady Raga bag for the month of April. So if you want to know what all I've got, please keep on watching. I got my April Lady Raga bag a while back in the mail and I immediately thought why not film it with you guys. So let's see together what all we've got in the bag. Now as you can see, this is what the bag looks like. It's a very nice silverish whitish kind of a clutch and the material is very soft. It's kind of like fox leather and also it is a little shiny. I don't know if you can see. So yeah, this is what the pouch looks like and it is also very soft material. When you open it, you have all the products inside. So let's see what all we've got. Now as I open the bag, the first thing that I get is this card, which is a cute card which gives the details of their products and also their social media links, and it says, "Hey gorgeous, go on a spree with them," and the list of products are given. So let's dig into the bag and see all the products in detail. Now the first thing that I get as I open this bag is this pencil. It's an eyeliner pencil by LA Girl. I have heard a lot about this brand and I wanted to get my hand on their LA Girl Pro concealers. I have heard so much about it and I would definitely be getting that soon. So I'm happy with this. I wanted to try something from this brand from a really long time. Now this is in the shade Mahogany, which is like a nice brown shade. Let's open and swatch it. This is the color. As you can see, it's a very beautiful brown color and I'll swatch it for you guys. So as you can see, just one swipe and the color is so pigmented and I really like that. It's a very nice brown color. It's an everyday sort of a color and you can make brown winged eyes, or you can even use it on your waterline or create brown smoky eyes with this. So I'm very happy with this one and let's see how it goes. Now this is an LA Girl eyeliner pencil and it's worth 250 rupees. It's a full size product. The next product that I have is this one. This is by Neemly Naturals. Is their Bengal Gram Body Exfoliator. Now again, I have heard a lot about this product from other YouTubers and I'm excited to try this on. And it says that you can use this on for your body as well as on your face. Now it says it's a body exfoliator, so I doubt I would be using this on my face, but still just for the sake of it, I would give it one try and I would let you guys know how it goes. If you want to see individual reviews of any of these products, then do let me know. I would be very happy to do that. This Neem Bengal Gram Exfoliator is worth rupees 550 and again it's a full size product. The next product is this. It's finely bubble wrapped. So let's see what it is. I like it when the products come such nicely packed and you can feel secured about it. So I'm very happy with the packaging that the Lady Raga bag does. This is the Nature's Company Cool Cucumber Body Lotion. Now again, Nature's Company is a very nice brand. I have used their body lotions before, so I can vouch for this one. And it's summer is coming around, so body lotions are anyways needed all the time because my skin gets really dry somehow in summers and it starts to flake. So this will come really handy for me. It says that it gives your skin cooling, soothing, nourishing and healing effect. The Nature's Company Cool Cucumber Body Lotion is worth 545 for 250 ml and this is a 30 ml product, so again it's a very good decent sample size. Now next we have is this scarf. Let's open it. So this is a scarf. I really like it. It's a very bright colored scarf and it will be very a nice piece of accessory during the summers, and it has lip print all over it and passion written over it. So I really like this scarf. I can use it as a headband, or I can use it around the neck. And it also comes with its own, with a like a tie pin or sort of a thing. See if you can see. So I think you're supposed to, you can wear it like this. So you can wear it like this or something. I don't think I would wear it with this because I didn't like this type, this bow type in whatever it is. I didn't like it so much. I like the scarf on its own, and I would love to wear it as a headband. As you can see, it would look really nice as a headband. So I would definitely be wearing this a lot during the summers. Now, Lady Raga bag always gives a surprise gift to all its subscribers, and they usually send it in a gift wrapping paper, but this time they have sent it in this potli, and I really like it. I prefer the gift wrapping because it makes me more excited to open it up, but this is also something nice. It's a mint cooler skin soothener by the brand Fuchsia by We Care. I have never heard of this brand, but it looks something interesting. It contains aloe pulp, mint leaves, peppermint, and essential oils. So it sounds very promising. Now let's see how it goes. It smells so refreshing. It has a very strong fragrance of peppermint, and it smells like it would be really cooling for the skin. It's in a gel-like consistency, as you can see. So yeah, I'm very excited to try this as well. So yeah, that's all the product that I've got in this month's Lady Raga bag, and I am very happy with it. I really like the bag on its own, and I think I can carry it around as a clutch very conveniently. Plus, I liked all of the products that they have sent this time, so it's a big thumbs up from my side. That's all from my side. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like the video, then do give it a big thumbs up, and also do subscribe to my channel. And also, beside the subscribe button, there is this small bell icon. Do press that, so every time I post a new video, you'll get a notification about the same. Love you guys. Bye.